Hey kids, what you are witnessing is why not to do dumbass stunts. This is Antonio. Antonio, say hi to the camera. He was playing with this box earlier, which you guys saw, but apparently while I was rearranging my room, this is what he has done. He's stuck in this box. You really can't get out. Swear. So I'm just going to film him and see if he can get out. You're getting out. I can see you moving. Oh, Lord have mercy. Why not to do dumbass stunts? You really can't get out? You're such a liar. Stand up. You can't get out?
No.
Let's see how long it takes him, folks. Push yourself out.
I can't.
Stand up. Just so you guys can see a full visual of this, this is what he has done. You are a dumbass. I can't believe you did that. God, you're a dingus. Here. Well, you are. Oh, God. Okay. There you go. Okay. You have any words to the camera before we shut it off, like words of advice why not to do dumb things?
Yeah.
Don't do it again. Tell them don't do it again.
Next time, don't do that to this.
Okay, that's